Ever wondered how sustainable food practices can contribute to a healthier planet? Well, it's all about making the most of what nature provides, reducing waste and creating something delicious in the process. That's where zero-waste jam making comes in. It's a practical, scrumptious way to bring sustainability into your kitchen, using every part of the fruit to create a tasty treat. You see, it's not just about saving the environment, it's about enhancing our lives with wholesome, sustainable choices. So how about making a zero-waste strawberry jam at home? Making your own zero-waste strawberry jam is easier than you might think. It all begins with the selection of ripe strawberries. Opting for fresh, locally sourced strawberries not only guarantees superior flavor, but also supports your local farmers and reduces carbon footprint. Next comes the preparation process. Rinse the strawberries thoroughly to remove any dirt or debris. Hull the strawberries, ensuring to keep the stems and cores. These parts, often discarded, are laden with pectin, a natural gelling agent that contributes to the perfect jam consistency. Once your strawberries are prepped, it's time to cook. Combine the strawberries, stems and cores in a pot with an equal weight of granulated sugar. Add the juice of half a lemon to balance the sweetness and enhance the strawberry flavor. A splash of water helps everything meld together. Now let the mixture simmer slowly, letting the magic happen. The strawberries will break down, releasing their juices, and the sugar will dissolve to create a glossy, rich syrup. The stems and cores, meanwhile, will work their magic, providing the pectin needed to set the jam. Once the jam reaches the right consistency, it's time for the final step. Pour the hot jam through a sieve to remove the stems and cores, and then into sterilized jars. Seal them while still hot to create a vacuum, ensuring long shelf life. And voila! Your very own zero-waste strawberry jam is ready to enjoy. A testament to sustainability, this jam is a delicious reminder that zero waste is not only possible, but also incredibly rewarding. Now that you know how to make your own zero-waste strawberry jam, why not give it a try? The magic of homemade jam isn't just in the taste, it's also in the process. There's something profoundly satisfying about transforming simple ingredients into a jar of glistening, ruby-red goodness. Making your own jam is not only cost-effective, but it also allows you to take control of what goes into your food. No more preservatives, artificial colors or flavors, just pure, unadulterated fruitiness. What's more, homemade jam makes a thoughtful gift. There's nothing quite like sharing a jar of your homemade jam with friends and family. It's a little piece of your heart, sealed in a jar. By making your own jam, you're not only treating yourself and your loved ones to a delicious treat, but you're also making a positive impact on our environment. Remember, every step towards sustainability counts. Happy jam making!